This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi and cellular icon indicator missing after last iOS update. So if you're facing this issue, don't worry. We can fix this problem in just few steps. The first solution is open your control center and enable airplane mode for 30 seconds. And then turn it back off. And then check the issue. The second solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So give a simple restart and check the issue. The third solution is eject your SIM card and insert the SIM card again and check the issue. And the last solution is reset network settings. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix Wi-Fi and cellular icon indicator missing issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.